Most people don't realize how much the wrong accounting software can slow them down until they're already stuck with it. Zoho Books gives you more features. Patriot keeps things simple. But which one actually makes sense for your business? In this video, we'll compare Zoho Books and Patriot Accounting in a simple and practical way. We'll cover ease of use, features, pricing, integrations, customer support, and real user feedback so you can decide which one fits your business best. And by the way, if you want to check out either of these tools, you can find the links in the description below. Let's start with a quick overview. Zoho Books is a cloud-based accounting software that's part of the larger Zoho ecosystem. It's designed for small to medium-sized businesses and offers a wide range of features, including invoicing, expense tracking, inventory management, automation, and integrations with other Zoho apps. Patriot Accounting, on the other hand, is a simpler accounting tool mainly focused on small businesses in the United States. It's known for being easy to use, affordable, and having strong payroll capabilities built into the system. Now, let's talk about ease of use, because this is one of the biggest deciding factors for most people. Patriot Accounting is built for simplicity. The interface is very clean, minimal, and easy to understand, even if you don't have an accounting background. You can quickly create invoices, track expenses, and generate reports without going through a learning curve. Zoho Books is also user-friendly, but it offers many more features. Because of that, it can feel slightly overwhelming at the beginning. There are more menus, more settings, and more customization options. However, once you spend some time learning it, Zoho Books becomes very efficient and powerful. The workflows are smooth, and automation can save you a lot of manual work. If you want to explore both tools side by side, I've added direct links in the description so you can check them out yourself. So if you want something extremely simple and easy from day one, Patriot Accounting is the better choice. If you're willing to spend a little time learning in exchange for more control and features, Zoho Books is the stronger option. Now let's move on to features. Zoho Books is a full-featured accounting platform. It includes invoicing, expense tracking, bank reconciliation, inventory management, project accounting, and time tracking. You can automate recurring invoices, set payment reminders, and even build custom workflows. It also supports multiple currencies, which makes it a great choice if you work with international clients or operate globally. Patriot Accounting focuses more on the basics. It offers invoicing, expense tracking, accounts payable, and financial reporting. It does these core features well, but it doesn't go much beyond that. It does not include advanced features like inventory management, project tracking, or deep automation tools. However, one area where Patriot really stands out is payroll. Their payroll system is simple, reliable, and fully integrated with their accounting software. This makes it very convenient for small businesses that have employees and want everything in one place. Zoho Books also has payroll capabilities, but they are limited depending on your location and often require integration with other tools. If payroll is your main concern, you can also check the links in the description to see current pricing and features. So when it comes to features, Zoho Books clearly offers more depth and flexibility, while Patriot keeps things simple and focused. Now let's talk about pricing. Patriot Accounting is one of the more affordable options in the market. It offers two main plans, and even the higher plan remains budget-friendly compared to many competitors. Payroll is offered as an add-on, but it's still competitively priced and provides good value. Zoho Books has multiple pricing tiers depending on the size of your business and the features you need. It even offers a free plan in some regions, which is ideal if you're just getting started. As your business grows, you can upgrade to unlock more users, automation, and advanced features. If you're interested in current discounts or free trials, check the links in the description below. Overall, Patriot Accounting wins on simplicity and affordability, while Zoho Books offers more long-term value as your business scales. Now, let's look at integrations. Zoho Books is part of a much larger ecosystem. It integrates seamlessly with other Zoho apps like CRM, inventory, and project management tools. This makes it a great option if you want to manage your entire business in one system. It also connects with third-party tools such as payment gateways and banking services. Patriot Accounting, in comparison, has more limited integrations. It focuses on doing accounting and payroll well, rather than trying to be an all-in-one business platform. So if integrations are important to you, Zoho Books has a clear advantage. Next, let's talk about reporting. Both platforms offer essential reports like profit and loss, balance sheets, and cash flow statements. Zoho Books goes further by offering more advanced reporting features. You can customize reports, analyze data in more detail, and gain deeper insights into your business performance. Patriot Accounting keeps reporting simple. The reports are easy to understand and sufficient for most small businesses, but they don't offer the same level of depth or customization. Now let's talk about real user feedback, which is often the most important factor. Zoho as a platform generally has strong ratings, around 4 out of 5. Users appreciate the wide range of features, affordability, and the ability to manage multiple aspects of their business in one place. However, some users mention that customer support can be inconsistent, and the software can feel complex at times, especially for beginners. Patriot Accounting, on the other hand, has extremely high user satisfaction with ratings close to 4.8 out of 5. Users consistently highlight how easy it is to use and how helpful the customer support team is. Fast response times and clear assistance are mentioned repeatedly. There are some minor complaints about limited features and a slightly basic interface, but overall satisfaction is very high. If you want to try the tools yourself and see what users are talking about, don't forget to check the links in the description. Now, let's talk about customer support more directly. Patriot Accounting is known for excellent support, especially for users in the United States. Many customers report quick responses and helpful solutions. Zoho Books also offers support, but the experience can vary depending on your plan and location. Some users have a great experience, while others report slower response times. Now, let's break down who each software is best for. Zoho Books is ideal for growing businesses, startups, and companies that need advanced features, automation, and integrations. It's especially useful if you plan to scale or already use other Zoho products. Patriot Accounting is best for small businesses, freelancers, and beginners who want something simple, affordable, and easy to manage. It's also a strong choice if you need built-in payroll and reliable customer support. So, which one should you choose? Choose Zoho Books if you want a powerful, feature-rich accounting system that can grow with your business and handle more complex needs. Choose Patriot Accounting if you want something straightforward, budget-friendly, and easy to use without unnecessary complexity. In the end, both tools are good, but they serve different types of users. Zoho Books is better for scalability and advanced features. Patriot Accounting is better for simplicity, affordability, and customer satisfaction. Your final decision should depend on how complex your business is today and how much you expect it to grow in the future. Before you go, make sure to check out the links in the description to explore both tools and find the one that fits your needs. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more software comparisons and business tools. Thanks for watching.